Find the derivative of y equals secant x times cosecant of x. All right, so here we see a product, right? We have two things being multiplied together here, so we want to use the product rule, right? So if y is equal to u times v, right, then the derivative is going to be u prime v plus v prime of u. And in this case, right, we're going to let u equal secant of x, okay? And we're going to let v equal cosecant of x. Okay, so what is u prime then? Well, the derivative of secant is secant of x, tangent of x. And then what is going to be v prime, right? V prime is the derivative of cosecant, which is negative cosecant of x, cotangent of x. Okay, so now that we have all these, we should be able to find the first derivative, right? So we have u prime, which is secant of x, tangent of x, times v, which is cosecant of x, plus v prime, right? So I see the negative there. Let me just go ahead and write the negative. So v prime, which is cosecant of x, cotangent of x, times u, which is just secant of x. All right, so at this point, I mean, I guess you can leave this as your final answer, but let's see. Let's just try to do a little simplification, right? I know that secant is 1 over cosine. I know tangent is sine over cosine. And I know that cosecant is 1 over sine. Okay. Similarly, cosecant is 1 over sine. Cotangent is cosine over sine. And secant is 1 over cosine. All right, so actually some things cancel out here, right? So what are we left with? We're left with 1 over cosine squared of x minus 1 over sine squared of x. So, well, the reciprocal of cosine is secant, so we get secant squared of x. And the reciprocal of sine is cosine, so we get cosecant squared of x. And I think from here, there's really nothing else we can do, right? So this should be our derivative.